Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to pay Apollo Group TV with your Bitcoin, guys. You need to follow. I'll show you step by step what you need to do. So as you can see, I'm on Apollo Group TV website and here's a full guide how to pay with the Bitcoin, and I will tell you what you need to do. Pay using Cash App to send Bitcoin with credit card, guys. So this is the guide how to use Cash App to pay with Bitcoin. We allow the user of Cash App, but not the normal way with dollar tag, rather by sending Bitcoin that you buy with credit card on the Cash App. So follow our steps here. Use the Bitcoin address only located in our website. So this is important, guys. Don't send Bitcoin to address someone provided you on Discord or Telegram or any other social networks. Only our chat on website or from the checkout. Do not send Bitcoin Cash. Only Bitcoin is allowed. Else your money will be gone, guys. So let's read. You do not use a cash tag name for this payment. Cash App is for US and UK customers only. Please see step-by-step instruction below. So let's start. Go to our website. Here's the link, guys. Also, the link of this guide will be in the description, guys. You can also go to this page, guys. So first of all, you need to click this link, go to the pricing page and select the package, guys. Subscription package. Then you need to click Cash App / Bitcoin logo. Here is the image, guys, how it looks. Then you need to copy the Bitcoin wallet address from the Apollo Group TV. So they provided this Bitcoin address. You need to copy it, and then you can open your Cash App, guys, and you can start paying with your Bitcoin. So you need to open your Cash App, and in the bottom right, you need to click the Bitcoin button, as you can see on the image. Then you need to click this paper airplane button, which is the send button, guys. So to send the Bitcoin, you need to click this button right here. Then you need to click the box icon in the top left corner, guys. And when you go to this page, you need to paste the wallet address you copied from Apollo Group TV. So the wallet address from our website will be copied over to your Cash App, and the next step is enter the amount for subscription. But guys, this is very important. You need to plus the additional fee, guys. And to see how much is additional fee, you can go to the next step to check the fee, guys. So select the withdrawal speed. There are a few speeds: priority, rush, standard, and if you choose standard, the payment could take up to 24 hours, guys. So if you're hurry, you can use the priority speed, but it has got some extra fee, guys, as you can see on the image. So then you need to click this X button in the top right to go back to the previous step, and you need to enter the new amount, including the subscription plan price plus the fee, guys. So you need to enter this new amount here, and you need to confirm the transaction and send your Bitcoin, guys. After that, it should be activated within the next few hours. If more than 11 hours passed, please contact us and we will help you figure it out. So you can see the contact email address right here. So the link will be in the description. That's all I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.